Igbo names and their meaning. Aha ndị Igbo na mpụtara ha. Igbo names and their meaning. Adamma, Adamma, daughter of beauty. Adamma, daughter of beauty. Adaeze, Adaeze, daughter of a king. Adaeze, daughter of a king. Aṅụrịka, joy is coming. Aṅụrịka, joy is coming. Afamefuna, my name will not be lost. Afamefuna, my name will not be lost. Akachukwu, the hand of God. Akachukwu, the hand of God. Akunna, father's wealth. Akunna, father's wealth. Arinzechukwu, thanks be to God. Arinzechukwu, thanks be to God. Chetachukwu, remember God. Chetachukwu, remember God. Chibueze, God is king. Chibueze, God is king. Chibuikem, God is my strength. Chibuikem, God is my strength. Chibuzo, God first. Chibuzo, God first. Chidiebere, God is merciful. Chidiebere, God is merciful. Chijiokem, God holds my share. Chijiokem, God holds my share. Chikamso, I'm following God. Chikamso, I'm following God. Chukwudi, there is God. Chukwudi, there is God. Chukwebuka, God is mighty. Chukwebuka, God is mighty. Chidera, what God has written. Chidera, what God has written. Chimobim, God knows my heart. Chimobim, God knows my heart. Chidimma, God is good. Chidimma, God is good. Chiagoziem, God has blessed me. Chiagoziem, God has blessed me. Chizaram, God answered me. Chizaram, God answered me. Chioma, good God. Chioma, good God. Emenike is not by strength. Emenike is not by strength.